Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Brent, and today we have a Bonneville that was locked inside this garage. It was last plated in 1982, and we know this Bonneville is from the 60s. I want to ask you guys, if you know what year this car is from, leave it in the comments to see if you guys can guess it. Now, the story behind this car is that my friend Nick's grandparents bought it brand new, and they got it as a wedding gift to themselves, and they absolutely enjoyed this car, but for some reason it ended up getting stuck in this barn for the last 40 years, and Nick's senior prom is coming up soon, so he called us so we could get it out of the barn and get it fixed up so he could take it to his prom.